The Fat Cat Original 2-in-1, 7-foot Pockey game table, billiards and air hockey, is the perfect game table for someone hoping to maximize the fun-to-space ratio in their game room. The two surfaces are great examples of both worlds and will play equally well. The billiards playing surface features Tetalon green felt cloth, rubber bumpers, and drop pockets. The air hockey surface features a high-output blower to create a thicker cushion of air and a glossy white surface built to resemble an ice hockey rink. Accessories included with this table include 4 pushers, mallets, 4 pucks, a set of 2-1/4 billiard balls, a resin triangle, 2 57 inches one-piece billiard cues, a billiard brush, 2 pieces of chalk, and a storage rack for these accessories. Dimensions: 80 inches length by 44 inches width by 32 inches height, some assembly required. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Save space and compact the fun with this 2-in-1 game table combining billiards and air hockey. Number 2. Billiards playing surface features Tetalon green felt cloth, rubber bumpers, and drop pockets. Number 3. Air hockey surface features a high-output blower to create a thicker cushion of air to keep pucks in motion and a glossy white surface made to resemble an ice hockey rink. Number 4. Included accessories: 4 pushers, mallets, 4 pucks, a set of 2-1/4 billiard balls, a resin triangle, 2 57 inches one-piece cues, a billiard brush, 2 pieces of chalk, and storage rack for accessories. Number 5. Power cord channel and play package. The Pockey Table includes a play package of 4 ultra-impact pushers with fingertip guards and 4 lightning strike reduced friction pucks, 1 set of 2-1/4-inch billiard balls, 1 resin triangle, 2 57-inch 2-piece hardwood cues, 1 billiard brush, and 2 pieces of performance chalk. The Pockey Table features an extra-long 16-feet power cord, threaded through its patented power cord channel. The power cord channel is placed through the spindle on the end of the table to help prevent damage to your table, cord, and outlet as the table is flipped. Number 6. Storage rack and patented latch system. The Pockey Table has built-in storage for all your accessories and game supplies. No more game room clutter or searching for lost items. Everything you need to play both games is in one place and is ready when you are. The Pockey Table features a user-friendly, patented latch locking system. It is more structurally supportive than tables using a traditional pin system, which can break if engaged when the table is turned. Number 7. Billiards Surface. The playing surface of the billiard table side features attractive Tetalon cloth, rubber bumpers designed to preserve a player's shot's momentum. Easy side drop pockets collect shots as you play. Opal-toned circle side accents along the side help you strategize your perfect shot. Number 8. Hockey surface. The Pockey Table's 110V blower is built to last. An airflow of 80 cubic feet per minute is generated, creating a thicker cushion of air than most tables to keep the puck gliding at high speeds. Dual-end puck returns to keep the game moving as fast as you are. They are conveniently located directly underneath each player's goal for easy access. Signature flame graphics add style to the rink and provide a sporting arena accent. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.